Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make crochet hook holder or crochet pen holder. This is what it looks like. Before we get started, we need to prepare all the materials. We need 2 yarns, 1, 2, we need 1 scissor, we need 1 yarn needle, we need 1 crochet hook with 8/0 or 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. Until we get it here. Place our marker. Put our marker here so we will know. So let's make this is our first single crochet, then the second single crochet until repeat that procedure each chain, then up to the last here chain. So let's get started. After this, we will count if we have our 36 single crochet. We must have 36 single crochet so that we know our work is correct. I'll get back to you. We will make our 36 single crochet up to here. One single crochet in each stitch to make it 36 overall single crochet. Continue single crochet in each stitch until we get it here. Until we get it until the last stitch or chain. Now, here is our last stitch from row 5. Now we made 36 single crochet in our row 5. Let's count. From our marker, that's how you count the first. So this is our number 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and our last, number 36. Then, now we made our 36 single crochet. Let's remove the marker now. Then, get our hook. Then, place your hook here. Be careful to place your hook here. You must, yeah. Place your hook here. Then, adjust here. Then, we will, in the next row, we will make same procedure from row 5 up to, now we have made our 36 single crochet from row 5. Repeat same procedure until we reach row 18. Same procedure. Place your marker here. Then, I'll get back to you until we reach our row 18. Just continue single crochet in each stitch.